Today we're looking into the story of Colin Strickland, a former professional gravel cyclist whose name became widely known following a high-profile and tragic criminal case. Once recognized for his achievements in endurance cycling, his life took a dramatic turn that shocked both the sports world and the public. So now, many are asking, where is Colin Strickland now? Let's find out. Colin Strickland built a strong reputation in the cycling community, even winning major events like the Dirty Kanza 200 and becoming a prominent figure in the growing gravel racing scene. However, his career and personal life became entangled in controversy following the 2022 murder of Mariah Wilson in Texas. Strickland was not charged with the crime, but he was closely connected to the case. He had previously been in a relationship with the suspect, Colin Armstrong, and had also been involved with Wilson shortly before her death. His connection placed him at the center of intense media attention. During the investigation, Strickland cooperated with authorities and even provided key information that helped law enforcement track the suspect. Ultimately, Colin Armstrong was arrested, tried, and convicted for the murder. The case had a lasting impact on Strickland's life and career. In the aftermath, he stepped away from professional cycling and withdrew from public competition, citing the emotional toll and scrutiny surrounding the case. So, where is Colin Strickland now? As of now, the former gravel cyclist Colin Strickland resides in Central Texas, having completely abandoned competitive racing following the 2022 murder of Mariah Wilson by his then-girlfriend, Colin Armstrong. Strickland works in automotive restoration, specializing in restoring Spartan trailers and vintage vehicles. He maintains a low profile, dealing with the lasting impact of the scandal. While he was never charged with any crime, his association with the case permanently affected his public image and career trajectory. From a top athlete to a figure linked to one of cycling's most tragic stories, Colin Strickland's journey is a reminder of how quickly life can change beyond the world of sport. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.